We finally touched down in Italy and we are going to be here in Florence for 4 days. So join us as we explore Florence. And you know what? Lucky us, something that we didn't notice was when we booked our Airbnb, it happened to be right in front of Atlantico Vinayo's sandwich shop. And boy, was it good! It was probably the best sandwich I've ever had. And we actually ate it more than once. So definitely recommend it.
And I thought Laspadas was a good Italian sandwich.
Since we landed a little late to Florence on the first day, we decided just to walk around the area and we ended up finding one of the wine windows. This is something that me and my best friends had been planning the whole time, so it was definitely worth it. Day two starts bright and early at the Accademia Galleria de Firenze. This is where the statue of David is, so if you want to see this, this is the spot. Well, as you can tell, there is a lot of people here, so be ready for that. And also, if you can guys can book a tour, I highly do recommend that. We ended up booking a walking tour, and it included skip the line tickets for the gallery and for the Duomo. And then after visiting these two sites, she proceeds to take you all throughout Florence. So, even though we didn't get to visit the Casa de Dante Museum, we were able to experience the actor that he's able to recite the whole book. So, of course, my best friend had the pleasure of picking the page for him to recite. And honestly, I thought this was a pretty cool experience. So, if you get to see him, pick a page, hang out, and listen to him.
Così, oh Dio, che solea la lancia d'Achille del suo padre esser cagione, prima di triste e poi di buona mancia, al misero pallone, su per la ripa che il cinge d'intorno, attraversando senza il...
Now, if you want water, you can get water here. It's a natural. Yay! It's like Switzerland. And it stopped working.
It doesn't work.
And we're gonna end this tour in the Ponte Vecchio. It's so pretty out here, guys. And after such a long tour, we ended up getting lunch, but we did split up. The girls went to get some pasta because that's what we were craving, and the boys went to enjoy some pizza. Alright, at this point, this vlog is looking like a food vlog, but we just really enjoy food, guys. So we did have reservations for 8 o'clock at Buca Mario. Just a little warning for you guys, there is a long line. We maybe waited about 10 to 15 minutes. And another warning is that steak for two is massive.
Probably we'll also have the tickets to climb the tower.
So for the third day in this area, we ended up going on an 11-hour tour that took us to Siena, San Gimignano, Pisa, and Chianti. The Chianti portion was like a lunch at a beautiful winery.
Oh, what makes, sorry, a pentare, nigole, giraffe, I'm a seashell. Why I'm a seashell? And the fruit cake, this is I thought the fruit cake is in the middle. Almonds and there are different versions. The blackish version is the most typical with a lot of spices. Is the one I like the most. The white version. And be ready for the square that is not in the shape of a square.
Okay, well, go down here. It's definitely not a square.
So she said it's not a square. Stop the shade. Yeah.
All right, now I know everybody's in love with the Duomo in Florence, and it is beautiful. I thought it was a very beautiful Duomo, especially from the outside. But this one in Siena, which is the Duomo di Siena, it is probably the most beautiful cathedral I've ever seen.
Yeah, this is nothing else to do. This is nothing else to do. The path there. The duck. There's even a duck. Qué loco.
Side of the house. They used to live almost all the time free in the hills around, unless we use them for quick bike ride tours during the morning. Okay? Please bear in mind, we are not a restaurant. We are agriturismo.
Watch they fall. You enjoying your tour?
Yeah, I went inside just to go look around. And then the guy with the tattoos, with the
Yeah.
white hair, he's like, you need help? I'm like, no, I'm just looking around. He's like, you want a shot of limoncello? I'm like,
Sure.
why not? It was good.
It is so beautiful. The food was so good. See inside. So cute. How beautiful. There's no possible way you're hungry again.
Yo, that smells like really good dough.
So right now we're about to try the gelateria del Olmo. Everybody stands in that line. That's another gelateria, but we were told that this one's really good. So we are gonna give this one a shot. I'll let you guys know.
Is that the specialty
We got
flavor they have?
hazelnut, pistachio. What you get?
Mint and something else. I don't know. She just recommended.
Mint and a surprise. And
I got pistachio and stracciatella
stracciatella.
from Gelateria del Olmo.
Del Olmo. This is amazing. So good. Where are we?
San Gimignano.
San Gimignano. San Gimignano. Mignano? Mignano.
Gimignano.
Whatever. We're trying to go to the little park, get some cute little pictures, and then head back to our tour, because or else we're gonna miss it. Alright. Oh, beautiful. It's funny because on camera it doesn't look that crooked.
And this is our last day, but before we leave beautiful Florence, I wanted to show you guys our beautiful Airbnb. Of course, there's the exception of the stairs, so if you guys ever book this, please be mindful of that and all your luggage. But it's a beautiful, beautiful space. It's very modern and it has a beautiful terrace. Which I'm noticing my husband forgot to capture this part, but it is in the beginning of this vlog. Oh, and another wonderful little detail about this Airbnb, it does include a washer.
Ma non aveva rubato.